inspired makeup tutorial. First, let's step into a bright yellow shadow. Apply it to the inner corner of both eyes. But then let's go one eye at a time. Apply a bright blue as in Alice's dress on one of the eyes, which is what the ColourPop palette lacks desperately. I mean, this color is so Alice, isn't it? For the other eye, let's use a light purple color for the Cheshire Cat vibe. Cheshire or Cheshire? And put it all over. Just leave the outer corner. Let's deepen the Alice side with the blue, which is kind of also the caterpillar shade, don't you think? Blend it up. And for the Cheshire Cat side, use a dark magenta. Apply it right to the outer corner, blend it with the purple, and of course upwards. For the eyeliner, we're first going for a classic black, but we won't stop there, of course, because both Alice and the Cheshire Cat have black in their costumes. Like Alice has a black headband, Cheshire Cat just has some black contours. Really go in small steps. Now get yourself a white eyeliner and fill in these wings. Both Alice and the Cheshire Cat have white. Alice has a white apron and the cat has a big white smile. Some black mascara, which is a rare thing for my page. For the lower lids, incorporate a little bit of Mad Hatter. The darker green in the outer corner right here. You can extend it here if you like. And a lighter green for the inner part. That would represent his hat and blazer. If you're looking for a simple Alice look, you can skip right to the lip part. But if you want to have some creative fun, let's move on to a dark red or a dark burgundy lipstick. This one is actually a dark magenta, but it will do. And let's paint a little rose here. Just, some petal outlines, which form, well, kind of a circle. You don't have to be super precise. Don't forget the dripping paint. And a little heart, because that lady is so lovable. Now fill in the rose with a red lipstick. Just use any artist thin brush for that. And just fill that in pretty neatly, but not necessarily super precisely. You can overlap the darker color. And of course, also paint the heart. With a lighter red or pink, you can add some highlights. The lips were the hardest to decide for this look, but I wanted a combo from both worlds. From Alice and from the Cheshire Cat. First of all, we are going for kind of a denim blue color that reminds that caterpillar color on the lids. And we'll stand for the Alice half. Cover all the outer part. This is a slightly purplish kind of blue. Don't forget the corners. And to blend the color inwards. Next, we're going for a pink lilac lipstick, like a very cold pink shade. And finish in the orange. If you use a bullet lipstick, it will be easier to blend. Just kind of tap, tap, tap. Which side do you like more, Alice in Wonderland or Cheshire Cat? Let me know in the comments.